In this video, we will review Quicken software. Quicken is one of the most popular financial tools available, offering features to help users manage their finances efficiently. It provides options for budgeting, tracking expenses, and managing investments, even planning for your retirement. Quickens things about your bank account and credit cards, ensuring that you have an up-to-date view of your financial health. The software supports school tracking and categorizing spending, marketing budget, and straightforward investment tracking. Tracking is another strong feature offered in insights in your portfolio performance. Quicken is available in different plans, including Starter, Deluxe, and Premium, carrying varying financial needs. While Quicken is powerful, some users find it quite pricey, especially for its advanced plans. It also requires some learning to use effectively. However, for those serious about financial management, it is a reliable tool that can save you time and help you organize your finances. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.